The strength of every modular kitchen begins with its cabinet structure. For many years, cabinets have been made using plywood, MDF, or other wood-based materials. But in real kitchen conditions, wood often struggles to perform. Moisture from cooking and cleaning can cause swelling. Humidity can weaken the material over time, and termites or fungus can damage the cabinet structure from within. For OEMs and modular kitchen manufacturers, this creates a long-term challenge. Frequent service calls, maintenance issues, and cabinets that may not perform as expected after years of use. This is where stainless steel cabinet systems offer a stronger and more reliable solution. Tusker cabinets are built using food-grade SS304 stainless steel, designed to be waterproof, termite-proof, hygienic, and built for long-term durability. With a tech-first approach, Tusker focuses on simplifying cabinet manufacturing, assembly, and installation for modern modular kitchen brands. The process begins with high-quality stainless steel sheets. These sheets are the base material used to manufacture every cabinet component. Using advanced laser cutting machines, the steel sheets are cut with precise measurements to form different cabinet parts. Accuracy at this stage is extremely important because every panel must align perfectly during assembly. After cutting, the panels move to the CNC bending process. Here, the steel is shaped and folded into strong cabinet structures. This process gives each cabinet its strength and structural stability. Unlike wood, stainless steel maintains its shape and strength even after years of usage. Once the panels are formed, they go through structural reinforcement and finishing processes. This ensures the cabinet components are ready for long-term use in kitchen environments. Because the cabinets are made from stainless steel, they are naturally resistant to moisture, pests, and corrosion. After manufacturing, the cabinet components are prepared for the modular assembly system. Tusker cabinets are designed as ready-to-assemble structures. Each cabinet is manufactured in precise components that fit together easily during installation. For kitchen makers and OEM partners, this simplifies the entire installation process. This approach offers several important advantages. It ensures consistent quality across every cabinet. It reduces dependency on traditional carpentry work. And it improves installation speed across projects. Another key benefit is long-term reliability. Stainless steel cabinets eliminate many of the common problems associated with wooden cabinets. They are 100% termite-proof. They are completely resistant to water and moisture. They do not swell, warp, or weaken over time. They are hygienic, easy to clean, and highly durable. For kitchen brands and OEM manufacturers, this means fewer service complaints and greater customer satisfaction. Tusker stainless steel cabinets also support scalable production for modular kitchen businesses. For kitchen makers and modular kitchen brands, this means building kitchens that are not only modern in design but also strong in structure. Because the cabinet is the foundation of every modular kitchen. And when the cabinet is built with the right material and precision manufacturing, the entire kitchen becomes more reliable. Tusker stainless steel cabinets, engineered for precision manufacturing, designed for efficient assembly, and built to support the future of modular kitchens.